I thought it was pretty good.
There's been something for everybody.
It's absolutely mint.
The kids enjoyed the physics stall because they got to play with things.
Do you think you want to learn more about science when you're older?
Yeah. Certainly.
That's given you a lot of thought, hasn't it, for the future?
Smashing.
It's just everyone that likes science, well, they can just come here and have a bit of fun. It was quite fascinating. I thought it was pretty good, all of it.
Well, I think there's been so much to do. There's been something for everybody. There's been physics, there's been chemistry, there's been exciting slime and Egyptians and mummies.
It's absolutely mint. It was cool.
We wish we'd known about it sooner.
I think this has been very, very successful.
If you asked any questions, they would answer them.
They kind of showed us how to work it out. I liked it because there were loads of interesting things around. You should go because this is kind of like the only time that you can actually get to do this.
If these enjoyed it, I enjoyed it. Like I said, people who like science in a big room of science, it's been wonderful.
Well, I found the atoms really interesting because we've been learning about it.
The space place where you go into and learn more about the stars.
We've done the bones, the ancient bones one. We've done the optical illusions one. We've done the physics one. We've done, what else have we done?
We went in the planetarium. Saw stars. What shapes they made.
We've looked at the lasers, how it was the coldest place in the universe, and how they use chromatography to get the lasers to be the right colour.
The detergent one.
There's about one activity that I haven't been to, and it's the little sound one over there, but that's the only one.
Well, there was this thing where there was this metal bar that went across, and then when you tapped it with like a scissor, it felt really loud, but I didn't expect it to be that loud.
It's a microscoping place where you can microscope different objects, and there was how to mummify a banana.
We made some musical instruments that look like this.
We really enjoyed the energy.
Poor energy.
Next we're going to the books.
Yeah. They're washing up liquid thing.
Oh yeah, that was like this.
We got to mummify a mummy, didn't we?
Yeah.
And what are we going to do when we get home, Alex?
Mummify a banana.
We're going to mummify a banana.
The washing up liquid because you can try it at home.
Exploding volcanoes, through to microscopic microbes, through to DNA testing, through to astrological stars, through to gazoos and oboes, and bashing a banana after it's been frozen using liquid nitrogen, through to generating electricity.
How he showed how like the atoms and the molecules came together, and like big things make smaller things make big things come together.
Now I know how to make a balloon stick to my head.
Trying to get your DNA, your cheap DNA from the Lucozade with the ethanol. There's more DNA in the strawberry than the human.
They're showing you safety like earthquakes when they come, and how to keep the rivers clean.
Well, I've learned more about pollution and buildings, how earthquakes perform. I've also learned about germs and other things. I've also learned about energy and the stars, and it was very, very good, all of it. Gravity and things being pulled together and the birth of stars. Atoms, cooling them to make them stop to minus 243 degrees Celsius, I think.
Because they're so small, and atoms
and I'm thinking of what atoms are made of and just right down to the very bottom of everything.
So I take it you've learned quite a lot today then?
I'm going to test them on the way home.
The kids enjoyed the physics stall because they got to play with things. And they stuck balloons to their heads, didn't you?
When we came in, there was a push bit where you put your feet on and you have to pull the handles and the seat moves back as you pull it. It makes your body stronger.
I found it was the lasers in the coldest place in the universe.
I really enjoyed the liquid nitrogen, the cooling. I quite liked there was the making where we made foundations over there with the sand and the Lego.
It's been really exciting. We've just been at the planetarium show as well.
Yeah.
We've learned so much there, and it's just we've got every age. We've got Grandma today, she's 80, and we've got Francesca who's 2, and it's been something for everybody. We've really had a fantastic time.
Yeah.
Tons of balloons, and we've just had a fantastic time.
I really liked, and so did the girls, the 3D show.
Well, there's lots of things that you can get into and make, so I enjoyed that.
Well, it would probably be about all the germs.
Took Lois yesterday to the Oriental Museum, which is Brill, and we made windmills and did Chinese writing and learnt some Chinese words. So that was fab, and it was good to see that it's happening over a number of days in a number of locations. So that was good.
What did you like about it? The stars. The exercise things. The exercise things.
I rather enjoyed the optical illusions, and I really liked the dry ice and watching the tube being broken with a hat.
One of my favourite parts of Celebrate Science was the 3D video of how the universe was born.
The slime, mate.
The slime was good.
I like the mummified bananas.
I think I'd probably study science.
If it was a documentary on the TV, I would probably sit and watch it.
Do you think you want to learn more about science when you're older?
Yeah. Certainly, yeah.
Alex loves science, so that's given you a lot of thought, hasn't it, for the future?
Well, there's been lots of science and you can do experiments and I've very enjoyed it.
It was very interesting here, and it's been a very enjoyable day.
Ah, fab. Really, really good. First time I've ever been.
If these enjoyed it, I enjoyed it. Like I said, people who like science in a big room of science, it's been wonderful.